Okay, question 8 then. So probably the hardest question, certainly in terms of forming the equation. 9, if we focus on just this part first of all, because I think most people would have got this, and if you were doing this in an exam question, you'd get some credit for doing this. So S is the cost of a spoon, K is the cost of a knife. Just focusing on this bit, we can say that 9S plus 12K is equal to £82.80. Quite a few of you got that. A number of you got stuck with how you form a second equation. So here, a knife is 3 times the cost of a spoon. What we can say there, because it feels a bit different, this one. So a knife is 3 times the cost of a spoon. So one knife is the same as the cost of 3 spoons, so 3S. Now, if you've done solving simultaneous equations by substitution, some of you did that as a bit of an extension, then what you can do is you can say 12K is the same as 36S, because one knife is the cost of 3 spoons. So 9 spoons plus 12 knives, it costs £82.80, and similarly 9 spoons plus 36 spoons is £82.80. So that's 45 spoons is £82.80. You can divide, and it's fairly straightforward like that. But well, I'm not going to approach it that way because I haven't taught you that, except as I say, some of you did that as an extension. So rather than do that, what we'll do is we'll change the format of this to get it more like this sort of format. So where you've got something S plus something K equals a number. So we're going to rearrange this equation. So what we'll do is, if we take away 3S from both sides, this becomes 0 equals, I'm just going to write the K there, I'm going to write minus 3S over here. So I've taken away 3S from both sides, and the reason I've done it like that is because now, can you see this equation matches this one in terms of having so many S plus so many K equals a number. Just happens that this number's 0. Let's just write those out again neatly. And then we've got minus 3S plus K equals 0. Okay, so from here, we need to get something the same. Let's multiply this one through by 3. So multiplying this bottom equation through by 3, I'm just going to write the top one again. So lots of writing out the same equation over and over. So there it is, and then I'm going to multiply this one through by 3. So I've got minus 9S plus 3K equals 0. Now if I combine these all together, 9S, so I'm adding on this bit, 9S plus minus 9S is nothing, they cancel each other out. 12K plus 3K is 15K, and then £82.80 plus 0 is just £82.80. So then I can say K is equal to £82.80 divided by 15. Now I can use the calculator on this, and it turns out that £82.80 divided by 15 is equal to £5.52. Now it would be nice to do a little bit of a check, wouldn't it? So if I substitute in, I know a knife costs this, so if I substitute this into here, I've got, if I just go over here for a second, £5.52, the cost of a knife, is equal to 3S. So to find out what S is, I'm just going to do £5.52 divided by 3, and the cost of a spoon, £5.53 divided by 2, turns out to be £1.84. So I've got £5.52 and £1.84, and then let's just check I'm right. 3 times that is that. I've kind of already just done that in reverse, I'm not going to check that again. But then 9 times by spoon cost, which is £1.84, plus 12 times by knife cost, which is £5.52, gives you £82.80. Yep, and we're done. So I only actually needed this one, but I worked out this just to really do a check.